In today's video, I'm going to teach you change themes through preferences. If you've ever opened Blender and thought the interface looked a little too dark, too bright, or just not quite your style, changing the theme is a quick way to make the workspace feel more comfortable and easier on your eyes. The theme only affects how things look, colors, accents, and contrast, so you can adjust it without worrying about breaking any tools or changing how Blender behaves. The main way to switch themes is through Blender's preferences. This is the built-in control center for how the program looks and feels. With Blender open, head up to the top menu bar and click Edit, then choose Preferences. Depending on your operating system, the Preferences window might appear as a separate panel or a pop-up. If you're on a different setup where menus are arranged differently, don't worry. The option is still called Preferences, and it's always accessible from Blender's main menus. Once the Preferences window appears, look to the list on the left and find the Themes section. Click Themes to open the area where Blender manages all of its color schemes. This is where you control the overall look of the interface, from the background shade to the accents you see in editors and panels. You don't need to change individual colors right now. We're focusing on picking a preset to instantly apply a complete theme. At the top of the Themes section, you'll see a drop-down menu with a set of ready-made presets. These are designed to work well out of the box, so you can change the entire interface in one click. Choose a theme like Dark if you prefer a rich low-light look that's easy on the eyes in dim environments. Select Light if you want a brighter interface with higher overall brightness, which can help in well-lit spaces. Minimal offers a clean, simplified appearance with less visual noise, great for focus. And Blender 27X brings back a classic look inspired by older versions of Blender, which some users find familiar and nostalgic. As soon as you select one, the change applies immediately, so you can preview how it feels and switch again if needed. There's no risk here. Try a few and see which one makes your workspace the most comfortable for long sessions. When you're happy with your choice, close the Preferences window. Blender remembers your selection, so the theme will be ready next time you open the app. That's it. Fast, simple, and effective. Enjoy your refreshed Blender interface.